This video suggests the best and worst foods to avoid fatty liver disease. Subscribe our channel, and press the bell icon on YouTube app. Make sure you do not miss any daily healthcare tips. Get email and mobile notifications about upcoming health videos. Liver problems. Liver disease refers to any disorder of the liver. Liver disease includes the following conditions: cirrhosis or scarring of the liver, inflammation, hepatitis from infectious, hepatitis B, hepatitis C, or non-infectious causes, chemical or autoimmune hepatitis. Foods to avoid with liver damage. Alcohol. Alcohol is a major cause of fatty liver disease as well as other liver diseases. Added sugar. Stay away from sugary foods such as candy, cookies, sodas, and fruit juices. High blood sugar increases the amount of fat buildup in the liver. It is a kind of food to avoid liver damage. Fried foods. These are high in fat and calories, so this is also a food to avoid liver damage. Salt. Eating too much salt can make your body hold on to excess water. So it is also food to avoid liver damage. Limit sodium to less than 1,500 milligrams per day. White bread, rice, and pasta. White usually means the flour is highly processed, which can raise your blood sugar more than whole grains due to a lack of fiber. Red meat. Beef and deli meats are high in saturated fat. Prevent fatty liver. There are no medical or surgical treatments for fatty liver, but some steps may help prevent or reverse some of the damage. To prevent fatty liver, lose weight safely. This usually means losing no more than half to 1 kilogram, 1 to 2 pounds, a week. To prevent fatty liver, lower your triglycerides through diet, medication, or both. To prevent fatty liver, to avoid alcohol. To prevent fatty liver, control your diabetes if you have it. To prevent fatty liver, to eat a balanced, healthy diet. To prevent fatty liver, increase your physical activity. To prevent fatty liver, to get regular checkups from a doctor who specializes in liver care. Liver inflammation. The word hepatitis refers to liver inflammation. Most forms of hepatitis result from a viral infection, although in some cases it is caused by an autoimmune disorder, in which the body's immune system attacks liver cells because it cannot tell the difference between harmful invaders and healthy liver tissue. Best foods to eat to keep your liver healthy. Coffee. Coffee is one of the best beverages you can drink to promote liver health. It cures liver inflammation, improves energy levels, lowers your risk of type 2 diabetes, and burns fat naturally. Tea. Tea reduces overall fat content, fights against oxidative stress, and reduces other signs of non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. Grapefruit. Grapefruit contains antioxidants that naturally protect the liver from injury. It improves heart health and reduces the risk of kidney stones. Blueberries. Blueberries protect against aging, lower blood pressure, aid digestion, improve memory, and protect against non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. Grapes. Grape seed extract protects the liver from damage, increases antioxidant levels, and fights inflammation. Grapes protect against cancer, eye problems, cardiovascular disease, and other health conditions. Bonus tip. Natural liver support pills are available in the online market easily. One of them is Livoxil capsules. These natural liver support pills are herbal liver cleanse pills to detox liver, regulate the level of enzymes, and protect the liver from diseases such as hepatic disorders, cirrhosis, fibrosis, etc. These pills also flush out the extra cholesterol, increase bile secretion, and prevent gallbladder stones to develop. Livoxil capsules treat its symptoms, cure weakness, improve digestion, reverse damages, clear toxins, and upbeat overall health. World's finest liver detox supplements. 100% herbal ingredients. 100,000 plus happy customers. GMP certified quality. +80 countries presence. Buy Livoxil capsules at naturogain.com. If you find this video informative, please give it a like and leave a comment. Also, share the video on social sites to spread knowledge. Do you have any health queries? If you have any questions or need further information, please don't hesitate to contact us. Feel free to email your queries at remedies@gmail.com or simply post your queries right here in the comment area. Press the bell on YouTube app and never miss another update. Watch related videos for more information and health tips.